Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Fit India Freedom Run. Fit India movement is conducting Fit India Freedom Run from 15th August to 2nd October to encourage fitness and help us all to get freedom from obesity, laziness, stress, anxiety, diseases, etc. The concept behind this run is that it can be run anywhere, anytime. You can run a route of your choice, break up your runs, run your own race at your pace, track your kilometers manually or by using any tracking GPS watch. Take one photograph in running action and count your distance in kilometers. Okay, everyone, let us start warming up now. Come on, let us go for first walking. Start with walking. Slowly go for jogging. Fit for jump. Jumping jog. Hand sideward rise. Open your legs. First we'll go for mobility exercise. Split up the legs, front and back, twister, hip twisting exercise, jump sideward, left to right, front to back. Come on, go for breathing exercise. When you're coming up, inhale, deep inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out. Slowly do it 5 to 10 times. Yes, go for a mobility exercise. First stretching. Raise your hands upward. Come to your toes. Just go up. Stretch maximum. Go for up and down stretch. Neck up and down. 3 to 5 times you can do. Side to side. Shoulder rotation. Forward rotation 5 times and reverse 5 times. Go for reverse. Yes, hand swing up and down freely. A sideward twist. Swing your hands sideward 5 times. Go for forward bend and slowly arch. Forward bend and slowly arch 5 times. Hip rotation 5 times, clockwise, anti-clockwise 5 times, up squat 5 times, yes, angle and wrist rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise 5 times. Go for stretching, quadriceps hamstring stretching slowly. Keep your upper body straight. Change your legs. Quadriceps hamstring stretching. It's a very important muscle group in our body. Sideward, hamstring sideward lateral stretching. Opposite toe touch. You can go for 5 to 10 times. Slowly jump and relax. Stretching for quadriceps and hamstring. Hamstring stretching. Relaxing. Breathe in, breathe out. Getting ready for running. This Fit India Freedom Run. You can walk or jog or run. Already explained. Now just walking. Start with walking, then slowly jogging. Wherever you want. If you feel tired, you can stop it. Different surface, different climate, different location. Whenever you feel you can run. It's a beautiful background. It's the border of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry border. This. It is very near to very famous tourist place, Usudi Lake, Usuteri we used to say. It's a wonderful sceneries. You can run on the sand, you can jog on the grass. Yes, this is another varieties of running. It is called a shuttle run. You can do 5 to 10 times. Shuttle run. Then this is a high knee action. Lifting the high knee, knee upward, front side, arm action with a swing, relaxing. You can do the high knee action for 10 meters and relaxing by walking or jogging, slow jogging. Again, second repetition, high knee action. It's a very good exercise for any type of sports event. Running, especially the sprint event, 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters. This is a back lift, butt kick this called. If you do this type of activity, exercise, workout, training, where speed will increase, you will get a leg length, stride length. This is called stride length. For the sprinting middle distance event, 800 meters, sideward running, left to right, right to left, sideward running movement. So jogging, relaxing jogging. This hopping, right leg hopping 10 meters. Relax by jogging. Yes. Change your legs now. Left leg hopping. This will increase your muscular explosive power. This is called bouncing. You got to change alternative legs. Left and right bouncing, arm action, double arm action. Yes, sideward. It's a bouncing action. Relaxing. Again, bouncing action. Okay everyone, let us stop now. Next we will see how to download, how to take printout Fit India Freedom Run certificate. One by one we will go through now. First go to Google and type Fit India Freedom Run and click first website you see. Now go to individual details. Just go down. There will be individual details. You have to fill up all the individual details: name, email address, contact number, from which date you are doing this activity, that date you have to put, then ending date, finishing date, and total number of kilometers per day, how many kilometers you completed. Then you calculate number of days and enter the total number of kilometers and enter your state, district, all Pondicherry only, whatever state, Pondicherry, then block, which block you are, then city, and you have to download these photographs, action photographs in the choose file, and fill the photograph, fix the photographs and go to submit. After submission you can download the certificate. Go to download the certificate, then you will get the certificate, e-certificate, Fit India Freedom Run certificate. Okay everyone, thank you and see you another day with another activities. Thank you.